For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Have you ever wished you could just walk away while dinner cooks itself? That's exactly what the 𝐕𝐢𝐬𝐭 13-in-1 programmable multi-cooker feels like. With its 4-quart capacity, it's perfect for small families or anyone who wants to save time without juggling multiple pots. I tried using a similar model for a weeknight dinner, and being able to focus on other tasks while it cooked a stew perfectly was a real time saver. Key design and build. The cooker has a glossy black finish with stainless steel construction, which makes it durable and easy to clean. It's lightweight at 1 pound, and the dimensions are 13 inches D by 19 inches wide by 15 inches high, which means it won't take up too much counter space. The touch controls are intuitive. I found navigating the settings easy even on my first try. Cooking technology. The 360-degree induction heating system is a game changer. Unlike standard cookers that heat only from the bottom, this system distributes heat evenly across the pot, which matters when cooking rice or soups. With 1,000 watts of power, it handles slow cooking, pressure cooking, and even searing efficiently. For my own use, I noticed meals cooked faster and more evenly compared to traditional stovetop methods. Versatility. 13-in-1 functions. This multi-cooker does much more than slow cook. With 13 programmable functions, including sauté, steam, rice, yogurt, and more, it can replace several kitchen appliances. I personally tested rice and sauté functions back-to-back, and switching between modes was smooth, which made meal prep easier. User convenience. The voice alerts are more helpful than I expected. They let you know when a cycle ends, preventing overcooked meals. The keep warm function is also practical, especially on busy evenings when dinner isn't ready at the exact same time. Plus, the included recipe book is a good starting point if you're trying out different functions for the first time. Performance in real use. In everyday cooking, the 4-quart size works well for soups, curries, or a small roast with vegetables. For my own trial, cleanup was quick thanks to the stainless steel pot. The even heating meant meals came out consistently, without me needing to check constantly. Conclusion. The 𝐕𝐬𝐬 13-in-1 programmable 4-quart multi-cooker combines durable stainless steel with even heating, touch controls, and helpful features like voice alerts. From my experience, it's a practical choice for small families or anyone looking for a single appliance that handles multiple cooking tasks efficiently.